how to print a right angle alphabet triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here alphabets are aligned in left side. Along with every alphabet, a space character is appended. Here, alphabets are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the order of E, D, C, B, and A. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at the end of fifth iteration I value will become 5. 5 less than 5 condition false and iteration is going to stop here. So print the result, print character starting from 69 is the ASCII value for E minus I multiply with I plus 1, which is going to print E, then 2D, then 3C, 4B and 5A. So save the file and run in the terminal py triangle.py. So we forget to append a single space character here. So append a single space character. Run the file again. So this is our expected right angle alphabet triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet right angle triangle pattern.